In a major boost to India's air power and self-reliance, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has just inaugurated a second production line for India's very own Tejas light combat aircraft. This is in Bengaluru. The move comes after the Modi government's Cabinet Committee on Security recently cleared the procurement of 83 more LCA Tejas jets from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The deal is worth a whopping 48,000 crore rupees. Out of the 83, 73 jets are of an improved Tejas Mark 1A variant and the remaining 10 are trainer jets of the baseline. The delivery of the Tejas light combat aircraft to the Indian Air Force will begin from March 2024. Around 16 aircraft will be rolled out annually till the completion of the total supply of 83 jets. An order for 40 jets is currently already under delivery to the Indian Air Force, with about half of them in service. India is also expected to export the LCA Tejas. The first export order is likely to come in the next couple of years, said the Defence Minister.
नए तेजस प्लांट का उद्घाटन करते हुए मुझे बेहद खुशी हो रही है और इस अवसर पर अपनी तरफ से मैं आप सभी देवियों सज्जनों को हार्दिक बधाई भी देता हूं और हम लोगों का प्रयास होगा, जैसा सेक्रेटरी डिफेंस प्रोडक्शन ने कहा है, कि जल्दी से जल्दी और भी नए ऑर्डर्स EHAL को मिलें, ये हम लोगों की कोशिश होगी। और मैं कह सकता हूं कि इंडिजिनस डिफेंस प्रोक्योरमेंट के इतिहास में यह सबसे बड़ा प्रोक्योरमेंट है। इंडिजिनस डिफेंस प्रोक्योरमेंट के हिस्ट्री में सबसे बड़ा यह प्रोक्योरमेंट है। कब तक हम देश की सुरक्षा के लिए दुनिया के दूसरे देशों पर डिपेंडेंट रहेंगे? लंबे समय तक नहीं रह सकते। और हमारे प्रधानमंत्री का तो बार बार आग्रह रहता है कि इंडिजिनाइजेशन को, स्वदेशीकरण को जितना भी हम बल दे सकते हैं हम वो बल देना चाहिए और उस पर हमको कदम आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए। और हम सभी का यह संकल्प है कि हम जो भी बनाना होगा, डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट्स, प्लेटफॉर्म्स, वेपन्स, कोशिश हमारी यह है कि हम खुद बनाएंगे और सीमा की और अपने स्वाभिमान की दोनों की सुरक्षा भी करेंगे।
It's hard to overstate the importance of the Tejas fighter jet. Now, here's our report on the history of this made-in-India combat aircraft. Take a look, the history of the Tejas.
When you look at the LCA Tejas today, it's difficult imagining the struggle it has taken to get here. The decades of blood, sweat and tears that have gone into building India's very own fighter jet. A look into the history allows us to appreciate the miracle that is the light combat aircraft. Things kicked off in 1983 when the government first decided it wanted to build a new fighter jet, finally freezing the aircraft basic design 7 years later in 1990. In 1998, the sanctions slapped on India following the Pokhran nuclear test. The Tejas program was suddenly stripped of any outside help to develop critical flight systems, including control laws and the flight control system. The crisis forced the team to look within, evolving a fully Indian brain for the fighter jet. 3 short years later, in 2001, the LCA flew for the first time, with then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee naming the aircraft Tejas, Sanskrit for radiance. In 2015, after over a decade of development, delays and troubles, the fighter was handed over to the Indian Air Force, entering squadron service a year later. Finally, in February 2019, the jet received final operation clearance.
It can not only sustain a very high sortie rate, it can also carry out very accurate weapon delivery like it was shown.
It may have taken decades to deliver an operational fighter capable of war fighting, but the gains from indigenous development are too valuable to ignore. Veteran pilots testing the LCA Tejas for the Indian Air Force say India's control over the LCA Tejas, coupled with its capabilities, make this Indian fighter a formidable asset in India's war configuration.
control law and the handling qualities of this aircraft was exceptional. We also have very good avionics on board. You have a laser designation pod, you have an excellent radar, you have helmet mounted pointing systems and sights, and so as a package for a very small aircraft of this size, it packs a punch.
With the LCA Tejas stretching its wings after decades in development, all eyes will be on how this little jet could change the game both for national security as well as India's aviation dreams.
And that fantastic news about the Tejas production line and tomorrow's mega contract happens at the big Aero India show that's set to begin in Bengaluru tomorrow. We leave you with images from the dress rehearsal over the skies of Bengaluru that happened today. Enjoy. See you tomorrow.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.